Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity. Learning Yoruba language.
Hello Nigerians, welcome to another episode of Learning National Language for Unity with Segun Obayendo Foundation. I am your Yoruba language advocate. In this episode, I'll be taking you on days of the week in Yoruba. Days of the week in Yoruba. Day, ọjọ́, week, ọ̀sẹ̀. Àwọn ọjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. Àwọn ọjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. There are 7 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. At the end of this episode, we shall know the names of these days in Yoruba. Sunday is the first day of the week according to Yoruba calendar, and Sunday is ọjọ́ àìkú. Ọjọ́ àìkú. Then Monday is the second day, ọjọ́ ajé. Ọjọ́ ajé. Tuesday is the third day, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Wednesday is the fourth day, ojo-ojorú. Ojo-ojorú. Then Thursday is the fifth day, ojo-ojọ́bọ̀. Ojo-ojọ́bọ̀. Then Friday is the sixth day, ojó-eti. Ojó-eti. And the seventh day is Saturday, ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. Now, let's form sentences using each of these days. Ọjọ́ àìkú, for example, Sunday. Mo lọ sí ilé ìjọsìn ní ọjọ́ àìkú. That means I went to church on Sunday. Mo lọ sí ilé ìjọsìn ní ọjọ́ àìkú. Then ọjọ́ ajé, Monday. Ilé ìwé yóò bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ ajé. That means schools will open on Monday. Schools will open on Monday. Then Tuesday, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Tuesday, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Mo máa wá sí ilé rẹ tó bá di ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. That means I will come to your house on Tuesday. Mo máa wá sí ilé rẹ tó bá di ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Ọjọ́ ọjọ́rú. Ọjọ́ ọjọ́rú, Wednesday. A máa lọ sí ọjà ní ọjọ́ ọjọ́rú. That means we shall go to the market on Wednesday. A máa lọ sí ọjà tó bá di ọjọ́ ọjọ́rú. Now, ọjọ́ ọjọ́bọ̀. Ọjọ́ ọjọ́bọ̀, Thursday. Àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọjọ́ ọjọ́bọ̀, Thursday. Wọ́n máa dé tó bá di ọjọ́ ọjọ́bọ̀. Or wọ́n á dé ní ọjọ́ ọjọ́bọ̀. This means they will arrive on Thursday. They will arrive on Thursday. Then ọjọ́-eti. Now ọjọ́-eti, Friday. Ọjọ́-eti. Ọjọ́-eti ní ọjọ́ tí àwọn Mùsùlùmí máa ń lọ sí mọ́ṣáláṣí. That means the Muslims go for Jumat on Friday. The Muslims go to mosque for Jumat on Friday. Then ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta, Saturday. A ó lọ sí pápá ìṣeré tó bá di ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. A ó lọ sí pápá ìṣeré tó bá di ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. That means we shall go to the field on Saturday. We shall go to the field on Saturday. Viewers, There's a song that can remind you of the 7 days of the week in Yoruba. Now let's sing the song together. Ọjọ́ méje ló ń bẹ láyé, àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun, ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ ẹtì àbámẹ́ta. Let's sing it again. Ọjọ́ méje ló ń bẹ láyé. That means there are 7 days in a week. Àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun. That means Monday. That means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ Wednesday, Thursday, ẹtì àbámẹ́ta Friday and Saturday. Let's sing the song again. Ọjọ́ méje ló ń bẹ láyé. There are 7 days in a week. Àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ Wednesday, Thursday, ẹtì àbámẹ́ta Friday, Saturday. So let's sing the song for the last time. Ọjọ́ méje ló ń bẹ láyé, àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun, ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ ẹtì àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ méje ló ń bẹ láyé, àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun, ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ ẹtì àbámẹ́ta. Those are the 7 days of the week in Yoruba language. Thanks for watching from Segun Obayendo Foundation. See you in the next episode.